Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so Cancer, let's see. Ano ang inyong reading ngayong July for Cancer? For Cancer. Okay. Psychic protection, passion. Oy. You have to protect your energies, Cancer, ha? Someone is giving you negative energies. Can be a friend. Kaibigan talaga eh, no? Oo. Or even a lover. Minsan ganun eh, no? Sa relationship, yung enemy natin, lover din natin. Also, maari rin ngayong July, meron kang ipupursue na passion project mo. Pwedeng anything, no? Na magagamit mo yung creative talents or skills mo, abilities mo. Pwedeng magagamit mo sa trabaho, sa business, or sa career mo. Some of you may also be spending some time with a friend ngayong July. Pwedeng meron kayong ganap with your friend. I also feel kasi na meron kang kaibigan na nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. Pwedeng secretly interested sa'yo romantically. This person can be a Leo. Very strong yung energy ng person na to. Can also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel like you have a major decision that you have to do ngayong July. I see this as related sa work, trabaho. Pwedeng may magpapalit ka ng trabaho or meron kang gagawing strategy para mas mapansin ka sa work. Or meron kang paglipat na gagawin, no? So, pwedeng lilipat ka ng work, ng opportunity. That's like a major shift in your life. Kasi maaring medyo challenging for you yung situation mo, like yung career mo, or yung business na meron ka. O meron ditong death card, which is transformation, change, endings, new beginnings. Yung iba sa inyo kasi parang pinipigilan nyo tong pagbabago na to eh. You feel like parang hindi pa ito yung oras na may magbago or may subukan kang bago. Pero parang nararamdaman mo na it's time to make that change dahil hindi ka na komportable sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Parang nagre-resist ka pa sa change. But I feel like itong pagbabago na to is inevitable. Hindi mo na to maiiwasan. See, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Something is ending, something is shifting in your life. With the Queen of Wands, this is freedom. Paglaya sa isang limitasyon mo na iniisip mo na hindi mo kaya. Kasi yung iba, kaya ayaw baguhin ang sitwasyon nila is because natatakot sila sa mga pwedeng maging resulta nung pag-alis nila. 'Di ba? Kasi nga naman it's unknown to you. Kumbaga hindi ka sigurado. Walang kasiguraduhan. Nandun nga yung excitement eh. Andun nga yung opportunity mo na mag-grow. You have the Three of Wands. This is growth, expansion. So if you are eyeing for mga bagong experiences sa buhay, I feel like ngayong July mo na to gagawin. Maglalakas loob ka na subukan na yan. Pwedeng, it can be any situation eh. Yung iba sa inyo, pag-alis sa isang relationship or pag-alis sa isang trabaho or career path na hindi ka na masaya or hindi ka na fulfilled because you want to pursue other things, yung mga bagay na passionate ka. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-a-abroad. Gusto nyo sumubok abroad or lumipat ng tirahan, ng location, at magsimula muli doon. Let's see what else. News of a birth or a new business opportunity. Uy, see, merong new business opportunity para sa inyo or panganganak. Literal na panganganak or parang meron kang ilo-launch na bagong ganap sa buhay mo. Warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. So be careful nga syempre sa decision making mo. You have to be responsible sa consequences ng mga choices mo. Maging maingat. Hard work ahead. Oy. Ikaw ay magiging very, very busy ngayong July. Parang meron kang mga projects na gusto mong matapos. Wow. Period of prosperity and abundance. Ang ganda. Hindi ka mauubusan. Lagi kang meron. Abundant yan eh, 'di ba? So, sabihin, ano man yung needs mo, you will receive it in the perfect form at the right time. May abundance and prosperity. I feel like itong abundance and prosperity, darating to sa panahon na maging open ka na sa pagbabago. Kasi magkakaroon na ng growth dyan. So, let's see, money, career, finances. Ngayong July. Uy, may properties. Sabi rito, magpo-focus ka raw sa basics in life. Kung ano yung needs mo. And some of you, pwedeng makakabili kayo ng property. Or bahay, lupa, ganyan, sasakyan. Maaring merong susobra pa sa inaasahan mo. Learn how to say no. Kasi may mga times na may ipinipilit sa yung bagay. Let's say, ipinipilit sa yung gawin mo or i-take mo. Kung hindi ka naman nagre-resonate doon and you don't feel like doing it, don't do it. Okay? So, some of you, meron kayong abilities, talento, kakayanan na mag-share ng knowledge and skills ninyo bilang isang teacher, mentor, coach. That will really help you improve your life. Hindi lang sa buhay mo, but also makakatulong ka rin sa iba kasi nag-i-impart ka ng knowledge. Wow, there is definitely success in your career, Cancer. You will be recognized. All eyes on you. Center of attention ka. You have the Death card. This is transformation in your career path or business. Merong magtatapos, merong magsisimula. And you are going to be successful in this situation. Maraming opportunities, maraming options, pero hindi lahat yan magbibigay sa'yo ng success. Kaya, piliin mong maigi kung alin ang ipupurso mo, kung alin ang sa tingin mo worth it na pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay, love life naman. Codependency. Uy, yung iba sa inyo nasa isang relationship na medyo toxic. Okay? Pwedeng the person that you're dealing with ay siya rin mismo ang nagpapahirap sa'yo sa relasyon ninyo. Someone is making excuses. Pwede rin hindi siya available sa'yo or hindi siya nagbibigay ng commitment sa'yo pero hinahayaan mo lang. So, syempre, sabi nga hindi ko maalala yung saying. Basta pagdating sa kung ano raw yung tinotolerate mo, ibig sabihin yun daw yung gusto mo. Kasi tinotolerate mo eh. 'Di ba? Eight of Staves. This is communication. The Chariot. And the Nine of Staves. I feel like, isa rin to sa change na mangyayari sa inyo, Cancer, pagdating sa relationship, na if you feel like you are in a toxic situation, willing ka na umalis sa sitwasyon na yan. Kasi alam mo na binigay mo na lahat. Like, you did your best. You already did your best. Kaya lang parang hindi pa good enough. Parang kanta lang. So, ngayon, you are ready to move on and try new things. Kumbaga, sinubukan mo naman na ayusin. Sinubukan mo magstay. Sinubukan mong pagbigyan tong person na to, intindihin. Pero wala talaga. So, you are going to a new direction. It's a better direction. Flower, be honest with yourself. Yes, you are being true to yourself right now. Alam mo na sa sarili mo na may mga bagay na hindi mo na maayos or may work out. At all you need to do is to just end it, let it go, and start something new. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.